History has a way of repeating itself, and we must be ready for whatever comes our way. With skyrocketing inflation, economic instability, and disrupted supply chains, many experts warn that another Great Depression could be looming. Are you prepared to face it? In this video, we'll guide you on how to brace for tough times by mastering essential skills, stocking up wisely, and fostering a strong, supportive community. Let's dive in. During the Great Depression, people survived by relying on practical, hands-on skills. Here are some of the most invaluable skills that helped families get by. Food and cooking. Learn how to grow your own food and preserve it through canning, dehydrating, or fermenting. Even a small garden can significantly boost your food security. Foraging for wild foods. People gathered edible plants, nuts, and berries to supplement their diet. Some common edible plants include dandelions, chickweed, and wild garlic. Nuts like acorns and walnuts, and berries such as blackberries and elderberries are also great finds. Use a reliable field guide to identify these plants safely. Remember to forage sustainably by taking only what you need and leaving enough for wildlife and plant regeneration. Baking bread at home. Store-bought bread became a luxury, so many made their own from scratch. Stretching ingredients. Recipes like Hoover stew and watered-down soup made a little food go a long way, substituting ingredients. People got creative with replacements for expensive items, like using Ritz crackers instead of apples in pie. Sewing and mending clothes. Instead of buying new, people repaired, repurposed, or hand-sewed their clothing, bartering and trading. With money scarce, people exchanged skills, food, and services instead. Soap and candle making. Homemade soap and candles were essential when store-bought goods were out of reach. Basic carpentry and repairs. Knowing how to fix furniture, tools, or buildings saved money. Animal husbandry. Raising chickens, rabbits, and goats provided food and extra income, raising poultry for meat and eggs. Chickens are a great choice for beginners. They are relatively easy to care for and provide a steady supply of eggs and meat. Basic care includes providing fresh water, a balanced diet, and a clean living environment. Building a simple chicken coop with proper ventilation and nesting boxes is essential for a healthy flock. Regularly check for common health issues like mites and respiratory infections and treat them promptly. Other poultry like ducks and quail can also be good options, each with their own care requirements. Repurposing everything. Flour sacks became dresses, old tires became shoes, and broken tools were repurposed. Water conservation. Rainwater collection and reuse of wash water were common. Handmade goods. Selling knitted goods, baskets, or furniture helped many survive. Odd jobs and side hustles. People took on anything from sharpening knives to fixing shoes for extra money. But how can you tell if another Great Depression is coming? Watch for warning signs like significant stock market crashes, widespread bank failures, and high unemployment rates. Also, keep an eye on rising debt levels, both personal and national, and increasing numbers of foreclosures. Stay informed by following reliable news sources and financial analysts who can provide insights into economic trends. Being aware of these signs can help you take timely action to protect yourself and your loved ones.
If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and share this on other social media platforms. If you have any additional skills or tips to add, please comment below. Get prepared now.